To push your rib back in, you would probably want to see a chiropractor. But this is a tactic I use, I was taught, to decompress the spine and potentially shove a rib back in. So I'm only showing it to you because if you ever do back pressure on any of your friends or anybody, make sure no one presses on the low back itself. So that's the bum. You got to press on the high part of the bum, okay? Then you step on the back and you listen for cracks. I'm holding this because just to get on, it's hard to balance, but you can still balance. But now let's listen to see if there's any cracks. Oh, there we go. And so you just press down and a bit forward.